Hey guys, it's unboxing number 2. It's Tuesday today when I'm filming, and I've just got this morning my box from the e-store. I was lucky enough to have an express shipment for free, so time to open, and I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna open it with you guys, and I hope I will be able to open it without much damage, because you know I can never do that without using the scissors. Yeah, see, this always happens to me. Just give me a second, I'm gonna come back with the scissors. I'm so excited. Okay, here it is. Let's see, let me just take my info away, and woohoo, we have our box here. And I move the scissors too. Is that you know what you ordered, but you don't know which piece you're finding first while unboxing. So let's start with this one. Okay, let's see, I hope it focuses well. Oh yes, this one I'm so happy about. This is Aurora's dress, and it's so pretty. I really like it. Wow, yeah, Aurora's dress. So keep it here for the moment. Then this one. What's gonna be inside? Oh yeah, the radiant heart, the pale blue, ice blue radiant heart. So beautiful. Oh yeah, so excited about this. Really beautiful statement piece. And this one. Ta-da! Oh yeah, Cinderella's dress. I got into the princesses dresses lately, and dress, so pretty. Yes, I have a good idea for this. And this is the ring. Last but not least, oh, my very much sought for dragonfly ring. Yay, so happy. You're curious enough to see what I will do with these pieces, so let's go design together. I'm thinking I might be returning this one. Not completely sure though, because I love it. It's so beautiful, but I thought it would be a little bit lighter color. So I'm thinking about it, and I'll write it on the screen what I decided to do with this. Anyway, so I'm gonna or I could just wear it for one dangle at a time. I don't know. But as I said, I'm not in a hurry designing this bracelet because it was really unexpected, so no theme is planned so far. Maybe a wedding theme one day. We'll see. Okay, yeah. Okay, turn around, and it clips for this, and something in the middle. But you know, I always put a heart in the middle, so last night I was debating if I should put this heart here in the middle and replace this one with something else. This could be an idea, but we'll see. No hurries. So far the aqua heart is good here in Tom's bracelet. So far this is it. Oops. I'm gonna move this away for the moment, and this is gonna be a quick design with me, and just have the dragonfly flying around, as it's part of the whole too. So this is my Happy Gardens bracelet. You haven't seen it properly yet, just glimpses here and there. And again, I will have a dedicated video to this. This is the bracelet I wanna dedicate to my grandpa, who's here, who's in heaven, taking care of my beloved Tom and living in a wonderful nature. But more about this in another video. So I have a dangle here, 2 dangles in the middle, in the center, a statement piece with the heart, and I still need a clip here. So I need a Murano as well, but I haven't found a Murano which is stunning enough at the moment. So I think I am going to put Aurora's dress here, close to the queen bee, because it's going to, my mobile, sorry guys, because it's going to balance out the pink of this merino. It's going to be perfect. And you know, the reason why I got this one, and you know, Aurora has nothing to do with my grandpa, but I really would like to wear a nice dress to go visit my grandpa in heaven if I dream about him. So this is here. So bear with me for a second. I am going to take things off. Okay, so Aurora's going here. Just bear with me for a second. Yeah, I really need to click there. And I also need a safety chain, but again, neither the safety chain is on sale yet. It's the one with the 2 butterflies, the one from the current spring release. And oops, sorry, I touched the lines. And I'm waiting for I get 2x3, some special promo to get it. I'm not crazy about paying full price for designs. Okay, this one here. this is coming out well. I already shot I already shot the complete outdoors of this for this bracelet, and slowly but surely, the video will arrive. Okay. Bella boat. Limited edition Bella boat. This rose here, and the merino. So, yep. Need a clip. This is how it looks so far. Just to show it to you. Grandpa's here with Tom, taking good care of him, full of love around. And that's my beautiful dress in this beautiful garden. My grandpa loved these flowers and his garden, so this is why I'm dedicating a garden to him. It's so beautiful, happy about it. And this is how it would be when closed. I'm gonna close it. Today is a weird day. I'm not very good at speaking English. I don't know why. Okay. Can you lock, please? Okay. There it is. It's on the 2-tone. I couldn't give my grandpa less than a 2-tone bracelet because he was so special. If you want to know more about my grandpa and I, it's a personal story I told during the video, my autumn fairy garden bracelet, and you hear about a lot of things of why I love inventing fairy tale and how much I love him, and that's it. So this is it for this designing. Let's see what the rest of the sales bring, and stay with me. So what else did I get? I went to my favorite concept store and I got the Beauty and the Beast bangle together with the opalescent radiant heart, and I also got the Essence bangle, and I'm so happy about this purchase. I like the way they all look together. I'm very happy about this, but I still went to my local store once to find the Star Spacer in CZ, which I'm in love with, and also the open work heart with the birthstone, the purple one, because you know guys, I love purple. So stay tuned and let's design together. So guys, I will just design with everything from the third and the fourth fold. So I think I'm gonna leave this the way it is because it's just so beautiful. It gives me the idea of calm, serenity, and the two colors match together perfectly. I will definitely stack it with my dragonfly garden, and maybe in the future I might be adding this one here to add some touch of moonlight or serenity, but we'll see. So for the moment this will stay this way. I'm so in love. I love it so much. I'm happy. And for the moment I will leave the essence bangle this way, because I might move something from here to here, just if one day I want to wear a bangle instead of a normal snake chain, essence snake chain. So we'll see. For the moment it stays this way. And then the stars. I'm debating. I'm debating about the stars, because should I put them here or should I put them, give me a second, on my winter night sky? Okay, we have plenty of stars here in the winter night sky, and I could replace, where is it? Where are you? Where are you? This one, close to this one, with this one. But I think I have enough stars here. For the moment I might put it, no, I will put it for the moment in the dragonfly garden, because you see, I have the hearts here, the pave hearts, this spacer and charm, animal. I could put it here, but I already have the flowers, so where should I put them? Yeah, I might put them here, or put them here, put it here close to this, to the mirror. Not here, because I want to balance. So stars and hearts, or flowers and stars. I'm thinking about putting the star spacers here, because if you remember from my previous video about my dragonfly garden, I think I explained that this is a nature that comes alive at night, so I need some stars. And I will put the safety chain, the one with the moon and the stars, here in the future as soon as I find a good promo. So where should I put it? I like it here, because you know there's the mirror, but it doesn't have any sparkle on the ring, so I'm gonna put it here. So let's see how it works. In the meanwhile, I'll say bye-bye to my starry night. Just put this on the side for a second and let's see how it works. Yep. Okay. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Stars. I love it, I love it. Remember this one from the previous haul? I like the snail, it's perfect. Okay, let's close it. Let's see. Yeah, yes, it gives the right amount of sparkle, and it complements the hearts, so it's not too far, it's not too close, but not even too far away from the other spacer. Maybe in the future I will add another spacer on another couple of dangles. I don't know, I'd like to find a shooting star in the future. Maybe Pandora will listen to my request, or probably not, but it's nice to say. So this is the dragonfly garden, the way it looks now, and I am pretty happy about it. And again, it's nice to stock here. Or maybe in the future I may take this off, put it here, and vice versa, just swap them. But so far so good the way it is. And let me move this away. Okay, this one, I admit I took it without having a purpose for it, because you see I had this one here that matches, and I like purple, so I may use it for mini designs like just this one here, or I might put it in here, or even in the sliding bracelet here. So this is just here for mini design. I will surely find a way to use it. It will not stay too long on the waiting room section because I really wanted to have it, and half price was an amazing deal. So guys, this is all for my for this video. I hope you had a good time. I hope this video wasn't too long, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Anyway guys, I hope you had a good time. I hope this unboxing and design with me entertained you, and let me know with your comments if you had a good time. Let me know what you're getting with the sales, because sales are going around pretty much all over the world right now, so I'm curious to see what you got, because we get more or less the same items on sale, so we're on the same page and I think it's fair. Anyway, I'm gonna send you a big kiss. I'd like to thank you for the time you spent with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thank you from all of us.